Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put pictures in TikTok comments. Actually, there is no specific options available here to put pictures in comments just like Facebook, Twitter and the other social medias. But you can put pictures in someone's replay. Click on replay and you will find a camera button at the left side of your screen. Then your camera will turn on, and at the bottom right corner you will find the gallery option from where you can navigate all the photos that are available in your gallery, and you can click on of them to send. Click it and select it, then click on next to send this photo to their comments. Just like this, you can put picture on anyone's reply in comment section. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.